Have you ever wondered how explorers found their way without a map or a phone? Let's join our friends Mia and Leo on an adventure to find out. One sunny afternoon, while exploring their backyard, they realized they were a little lost. But instead of panicking, Leo had a brilliant idea. Let's make our own compass. They found a bowl, filled it with water, and got a sewing needle and a magnet. Mia carefully rubbed the magnet along the needle, over and over, in the same direction. This made the needle magnetic. They gently placed the needle on a leaf floating in the water. Magically, the needle slowly spun around and pointed straight north. They learned that Earth is like a giant magnet, and their homemade compass was pointing to the North Pole. Using their new tool, they easily found their way back home, feeling like true explorers. You can try this too, with a grown-up's help, of course. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun science adventures.